Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will go through a very important section of all my websites, that is internal linking. So I consider this as a very important factor to get good rankings of most of the pages and the keywords. So let me get started with the details. So if you are watching this particular video very first time, this is part of the series of videos that I am creating showcasing the work that I am doing on one of the sites that I recently purchased. So this is a flip case study, public case study. So I show the domain and all the work. As I make the changes, I create a video and demonstrate. So if you have not yet watched the remaining videos, please go and check it out in the playlist. We completed all the activities that are marked in green here. Now today we are going to work on the internal linking. So there are three ways of doing the internal linking. One is a typical manual method. Second method is what I am actually going to show today, and third one is there is also a paid plugin. So this is the plugin, the Link Whisper. I used once the free version of it. It was looking good. Basically what it does is, the moment you install this plugin, there is I think a monthly fee involved to use this particular plugin. It will actually show the some of the text or the phrases that are potentially can be linked internally to other pages. So then you can actually go and link it. You need not to go through the entire page. So this actually throw you some suggestions to do the internal linking, and has been receiving a very good feedback. But I am not using it for now on any of my website, but I have some plans. I did test it out, the free version. I liked it, but the other plugin that I am using, free version, has been working okay for me. So for now I haven't gone for it. Maybe I may actually pick it up in sometime in future. This is the third option. The first option is normally what we most of the beginners do. That's a manual way. So let's go back to the site. So maybe let me pick one of the blog. So let's see this particular article. So I have observed that this previous owner of this site actually done the internal linking very reasonably well for most of the blogs. So whichever blog article I browsed, I found some links there. Probably I'm not sure about the effectiveness in the sense whether those are really related to the articles or not. That I am not very sure. That I will get to know when I actually review each of the article. But at least internal linking is done mostly through manual process. So if you see here, so here is the internal linking. This is the manual method. All what you need to do is go edit this particular post and link that particular the page to where you want to link it. For example, if you see here, this floor mats is linked to best car floor mats for you 2021. This is you can see it when you mouse over, you will see the related link in the footer. So you can see here, and then any other links. Yeah, here is one more link. This is the best car mat. This is best car floor mats. Why you need them? I think these two looks more or less similar to me. Probably when I review the entire content, I will get to know. Here it is also best car floor mats, and this is also best car floor mats. That means there are two articles are there on same topic. Maybe when I do the site-wide content, this is the one, right? So site-wide content audit, probably I need to look deep into these issues. But for now, let's focus on the internal linking. So for me, this doesn't look appropriate because the keyword floor mats is applicable for entire site. If at all I link floor mats, I link it to home page, but not to any of the individual page, because every article on this particular page is all about floor mats. So linking one specific article for this particular keyword is not basically an appropriate way. This is what I meant. The quality, if you do a quality way of internal linking, I observed for most of my websites a very good effect of it. So this is one thing that carefully I need to take care while reviewing each of the posts. For example, this article, if I edit, I remove this. I will remove this. I will keep this particular one because this is all about best car mats, and the article linked is also for the car mats. That is perfectly fine. But this is not basically the relevant one. Now let me. This is the basic way of doing the link building. So if you are a beginner, this is the best way. So edit each of the post, each of the article, and go to the specific phrase where you want to do for which you want to create the internal link. Go there and then pick up that particular phrase. For example, if you see, this is the floor mats, right? So if you just edit this, you should be able to see this is the page. You just do the manual internal linking. This is the basic way of doing it. The other way that I do is I use one of the free plugins. If you remember the very first second video, I think, when we were changing the theme and installing the basic essential plugins, I showed you one plugin was Ad Inserter, other plugin, there was one plugin I installed that was which one was Internal Link Manager. So let me show you the plugin. You may go and refer that particular video. So it should be somewhere here. Yeah, Internal Links Manager. This is the plugin that I normally use it. So let me create 1 or 2 links, then you will be able to understand. So I will continue that process as and when I make any updates to or changes to my other articles. So this is the plugin. So all links, let's go to the all links. So far I haven't created any links, so you can see here empty. Now let me add first link. Now I am going to take the information from the Excel that I have been updating while I make changes to the article. So this is the spreadsheet that I have been showing you whenever I edited or modified the some of the articles. So if you see here, the very first article, this is about WeatherTech versus Husky floor mats. We reviewed it. If you did not watch that particular video in this playlist, go and check it out. We edited initial top ranking posts. These are all top 10 ranking articles. I immediately picked it up, made some changes. So here in the internal links column, I mentioned few relevant keywords for which this particular post need to be linked. For example, for this particular article, I felt WeatherTech versus Husky floor mats is one potential keyword for which we need to interlink, and also we can do the swap, basically Husky floor mats versus WeatherTech. This is another way. And then we can also do WeatherTech floor mats versus Husky. And other way is basically, so these are 3-4 ways. So we can look at the various permutations and combinations. So now let me show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to use these terms to do the internal linking. So let me pick the first one. This is the keyword. Now let me go to the internal link. So here, first of all, the title, I can use the primary keyword as the title. So this is the primary keyword. And then here, if you search for the page, it will show you all the list of pages. I'm going to pick the relevant page for this. That is the Husky, right? Husky. Yeah, this is the one. WeatherTech versus Husky. This is the title. It will show you the title. So, and now I need to basically give the relevant keyword. So this is the keyword. So wherever in the entire website, wherever in whichever article, whenever this particular keyword appears, immediately what this plugin does is that particular phrase will be interlinked to this particular page. That's what it's going to do. And next one is link title. Link title also I will give normally the primary keyword. Now let's pick the other words also. You can give multiple keywords. You can supply multiple keywords here to interlink. So what it means is, so let me actually first provide all the keywords here. So what it says is, what it does is, now once I actually save this particular link, in entire website, if it finds anywhere in the site this particular term, then that phrase will automatically be linked to this particular page. So I don't know if we have anything, so let's try it out. If there is any Husky, let's search for it. So this is our one, and then let me look at this particular page. Is there any Husky? This is only in the previous, and no, it is not there. There is no. So let's look at, maybe for the testing purpose we will see WeatherTech. WeatherTech should be there in other pages also. Let's just check it out. WeatherTech. Okay, this is what we are linking now, and let's see it here. For example, now if you see here, here is the WeatherTech floor mats, right? So Now for now there is no link here. For example, if I add weather tech floor mats as the phrase here, and I want whenever this phrase appears in the website, I want that phrase to be interlinked to this particular page. I just need to save this. Now if you, let's go to the page that we just verified. If you see here, what was the page? So this is the page, right? So now there is no, basically this particular phrase is not linked to any of the page. Just refresh this page. Now you see automatically there is an interlink created for the page that we just set it up. So this is what is going to happen. So because we, in this particular plugin, we created an internal link to link this particular various phrases to this particular page. So you can actually give up to 7 or 8 different keywords here. So in the entire site, this particular plugin will scan, and whenever it finds this, any of these keywords listed here, it automatically interlinks that particular keyword to this particular page. So once I set this up, I can forget about it. So even if I add 1000 articles onto the website, so this plugin will automatically take care for the existing articles as well as for the new articles. Whenever this, any of the given phrases appear in the particular article, automatically interlink will be created sections. So for now, that's about it. So thanks for your time. Bye.